This video is brought to you by thepuzzler.com.
AMC 10A number 9, also number 7 from the 12A. A rectangle is partitioned into 5 regions as shown. Each region is to be painted a solid color, red, orange, yellow, blue, or green, so that regions that touch are painted different colors and colors can be used more than once. How many different colorings are possible? So for problems like these, you usually want to start in some sort of a corner and continue from there. So let's say we pick color A for this corner. Well then, for this right here, we can pick any color except for A, so let's say we pick B. Then for this right here, we can pick any color except for A and B, so we can pick C. Now, how many choices do we have to pick? A, we have 5 choices to pick A, then 4 choices to pick B, then 3 choices to pick C. Okay, now what about this right here, this square? Well, or this rectangle. Well, it can't be B or C, but it can be A or any of the other 2 colors we haven't used. So there's 3 choices. Similarly, this one right here, it can't be the color that's right here or the color right here, but there's no other restrictions. So it also has 3 choices. So this is going to be 5 times 4 times 3 times 3. So 20 times 27, which is 540, and we're done.
Thank you for watching this video. If you liked or enjoyed this video, make sure that you give it a like and subscribe to our channel. For more amazing content, you can check out thepuzzler.com.